I could recognise that smell anywhere. So it's a bit of a different one this time because we've actually got 2 products to review.
A twofer.
So I'm looking forward to this one. This is what we'd call in the UK, what? A pudding, a sweet,
Pudding.
and afters.
Pudding.
Yeah, your dessert.
If you was posh, I was just about to say, if you was posh, it'd be dessert.
Mm.
We are going to review each product individually, even though we're having them together.
So the star of the show first, I think.
That's the custard. No.
So we've got from the dessert menu from Aldi, and it's new. It's the sticky toffee pudding, which is a sticky toffee sponge pudding. Lovely light sponge pudding. I think we'll be the judge of that. Smothered in a deliciously dark, sticky, sweet toffee sauce. That's a bit of a mouthful.
It is something you would order, isn't it, this?
It is actually, yeah. But I do like ice cream as well. But I do like something like that. I think
If
in the winter.
a hot pudding, shall we say?
Yeah. It says 4 servings. Now, I've had a look in the box here. 4 servings if you're 5 years old. You're having half each, basically. That's what we're doing. I mean, there's nobody else here to have a slice.
Well, look, we're in a van, ain't we? We're in our camper van. There's this pudding and us. You know what I mean?
It ain't going in the bin. Well, not a conventional bin anyway.
I guess we could have the other half tomorrow. Is what people would think. Not happening.
And the next one, or the accompaniment to our lovely sticky toffee pudding, again from Aldi, we've got from the dessert menu, custard. And it says it's creamy and delicious. And you can enjoy it hot or cold. I do enjoy it hot or cold, to be honest. Sometimes have it in the snow outside. But also, if you are a vegetarian, they're both vegetarian as well, so you can eat these. If you're a vegetarian, so that's nice to know.
Okay, so sticky toffee pudding. We've got 400 grams worth of sticky toffee pudding, 200 each.
Yeah.
This was £1. I've lost it. £1.59.
£1.59.
£1.59. What about yours?
And the custard, I was dying to say tubby tustard then. It's 500 grams. And it was 55 pence.
No, so that sounds pretty reasonable for both.
Just coming in over £2, £1 a portion for, or our portions anyway. £1 a portion.
Pence for a proper portion.
I think that represents pretty good value myself. Yeah. I think that really does. You know.
Well, we say that, but it might taste awful.
Well, I suppose we'll find out in a little while, won't we?
Keep flat. I just realised it
Keep
says.
Flat. Yeah.
I guess that's so that it doesn't all drop back high. But serving suggestions?
Dump it out on a plate.
Yeah,
just put it on a plate.
Cut it up into 4.
I'm glad that they did that because I was worried if you put it straight into my hands, the toffee would burn your hands, wouldn't it? So that is good advice.
Good advice, yeah. So it just says cut it up, put it on a plate.
Put it on a plate. That's what we're going to do.
Cut it into 4, put it on a plate.
I'm going to drizzle it with this as well.
Tubby tustard. Okay, UHT custard. Okay, so the directions for use are on there as well. 750 watts is 1.5 minutes. Stir and recover for another 1.5 minutes. And then obviously it reduces the...
Not a lot to not like about custard, is it really? Or creme anglais, as
I am
they
supposed
say.
to keep this flat, folks, but I've got to read the back. So.
Not forever. I'm going to lie down after you've had it.
Okay, so it is classed as a sponge pudding with dates topped with a toffee sauce. Okay, so microwavable and oven.
Lovely.
Okay.
That's it. Dispose of these additional items of... Right, get that over there. Let's have a look at the picture first. Let's get it in the picture. Have you got the box over there? Did you get your...
Right, so it's meant to look like this.
Which, it's a different colour.
Yeah.
Much darker on the thing.
Much darker, and even if you look at mine, it's got less of the sticky.
That has actually been poured over on the picture, hasn't it? Ours is just...
Try and get you a better angle, look.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a different colour, even though mine's lighter than yours. It's definitely a different colour.
And clearly they've staged it by tipping the sauce over after, haven't they, on there, which
We didn't have any choice to do that.
Aldi's
really,
pretty good, really, with their pictures. It normally looks like it,
yeah,
though.
yeah, they're not too fake, are they? I don't think that's too bad.
Shaving foam for
I don't think that's too
mayonnaise.
bad. I mean, I think separately we should probably smell them first. So we usually get our beaks in.
Let's get our beak in. I'm going to go first because that's probably got slightly bigger beak.
I don't know, I've got a good beak on me.
The old Roman nose. The old Roman nose, the old pelican beak. Ooh, it smells delicious. Absolutely delicious. A bit of a buttery kind of...
very buttery.
Very buttery kind of thing. All the goodness there. I hope it contains butter. Now we said it smells like butter. Margarine.
I don't think there's any smell to the custard.
Smells like vanilla.
I got my beak in first that time.
Smells like vanilla custard.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I could recognise that smell anywhere.
We got a few lumps there.
I don't mind lumps in custard. Gravy, I don't like it, but custard's alright.
Right, tell me when.
I'm never going to say when for custard.
What's going on then?
It don't look anything like the thing you know, does it?
I will say this is not something I would ever order. Ever. I've had it before, obviously. Mainly at home, but
it's delicious.
Not something I would ever order.
It's delicious.
Mainly because I love chocolate puddings. So.
That sponge is sticky and
Do you know what?
very light.
I'm quite surprised with that custard. Being a custard snob. I am surprised with that.
What do you think of the sponge? A very light and airy sponge.
The texture. I'll tell you what it reminds me of. You know, ginger cake. Jamaican ginger cake. Yeah. I don't know whether you get that everywhere, but in the UK you get it's in a packet, isn't it? Jamaican ginger cake. And the texture is very much like that.
This kind of sponge is really popular in the UK. This like very sticky, light sponge. We have sticky toffee pudding, obviously. There's jam roly-polies, one, ain't it? And Spotted Dick, no sniggering at the back. Spotted Dick's a sponge custard. Has it got currants or something in?
It's got something. That's what we spotted, I suppose.
Spotted, yeah.
Nice texture. Nice taste. I don't think the sticky toffee is overpowering. And it is normally, and that's why I don't order it. I don't order it normally because that is way too sweet and too overbearing. Yeah. That's not. So I'm quite impressed with that. And for somebody who isn't keen on that kind of pudding, I'm going to give it an 8.5.
You know what? I do really echo that sentiment.
Really?
Yes.
We never agree on anything, so...
But I'm going to give it a 9.
Oh.
And I'll tell you what it reminds me of. You know those little sticky toffee puddings that you get in a small pot?
Oh, I know, yeah.
You tear the lid off, the individual ones. Yeah, they do like chocolate puddings and the toffee. Reminds me of that a bit. Well, because probably it's exactly the same thing, just a different size, really.
Different packaging.
So, 8.5 from you, 9 from me. Pretty good. How about the custard then? Because this is a bit of a deal breaker for you, isn't it?
Well, yeah, normally I would say so. And to be honest, I'm quite impressed with that. Obviously, it's not as thick as you would normally make,
I was going to say that.
Your own custard. It's a bit thinner, a bit runnier. But I quite like that taste, and I'm quite surprised by it. So I'm going to go for an... am I going for an 8 or a 7.5? I think I'm going to go for an 8 because that's fair.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I'm going to go for 8.5, and same reasons. It could be a bit thicker. I do like a thick custard. It's got to stick to the back of your ribs, in it, custard, especially on a cold day.
8.5 and an 8. What was you?
I went for a 9
and an
8.5. Yeah. Okay. So, would we buy it again?
Okay, right. Sticky toffee pudding. I wouldn't, because I don't. I prefer other puddings. Yeah, that's all it's down to.
I'd buy it again, but I do like variation as well. So it would be on my list. I don't really have much puddings. I do like a bit of ice cream myself. We would buy it. We would buy the custard again, definitely.
Yes.
And
you'd buy the pudding. I wouldn't.
Not all the time.
Just because I prefer chocolatey puddings or something like that.
Yeah, and I like a bit more variation as well.
Absolutely nothing at all wrong with it. It was very nice.
So, have you tried this before? I mean, you've tried custard, obviously. I don't know if you tried Aldi custard. It tastes like any custard, really.
It's all right.
Have you tried the sticky toffee pudding, or will you be trying it? I've got to say, pretty good value for a portion there. If we were having it as they intended, it'd be 50p a portion, more or less.
Yes. Thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it.
And if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more food reviews.
Bye.
Bye.